Hello everyone, welcome to my brand new show called Beat the Heat, where I, your chef cum host Saransh, would be trying to solve your दर्द भरे dilemmas and also the heat which is racing outside like crazy. बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी है. With my ठंडी easy to make drinks. Today I would be trying to solve problem of Miss Rimjim. Writing from crazy streets of Manipal, Chef Krish को कैसे पटाएं? How to ask out my crush? Has also addressed me as नई दिल्ली मुंबई से हारने के बाद. Look, please don't add extra information in your letters. नहीं तो बंदे भिजवा दिए जाएंगे आपके घर. Okay, so what you need to make for your crush is प्यार भरा शरबत. For making प्यार भरा शरबत, you require mint leaves, honey, lemon, black salt, chaat masala, cinnamon, cardamom, raisins, fennel seeds, and lastly, your sharbat mix. To prepare our drink, we will first start off by preparing our Pyar Bhara masala. In a pan, add cinnamon, cardamom, fennel seeds, and dry roast them on high heat. Once the masala has turned aromatic, it's time to add raisins. After adding raisins to your spice mix, ensure that you do not cook it for longer time. 30 seconds should be good enough. After dry roasting all your spices, let it cool down for a while. Take a small grinding jar, add your spices and grind into a fine powder. Now I will chop some fresh mint leaves. In a small bowl, add rock salt, chaat masala, mint leaves, squeeze in a couple of lemons, add Pyar Bhara masala that you freshly prepared, add honey as per your taste, and then give it a mix. Take a glass, add all the mixed ingredients, followed by the sharbat mix. Now we are going to add ice. Finally, I will fill the glass with club soda and garnish the drink with some more mint leaves. आप उनको ठंडा रखो, वो आपको अपना बंदा रखेंगी. If you serve this drink in front of your crushes, relatives or family members, you may get married as well. So you have been warned. Beat the heat with Pyar Bhara Sharbat. Hello everyone and welcome to the second episode of Beat the Heat, where I, your host, Chef Saransh, tries to solve your generic problems and tries to cool you down in this insanely hot weather. Let's see whose problem shall I try to solve today. Jabril Pakhandi ji from lavishing streets of Lucknow. Anyways, his problem being, my wife is upset with me. बीवी बुरा मान गई है, कैसे मनाऊं? PSS, she likes to call me शेरू. मुझे प्यार से शेरू बुलाती है. शेरू? मेरे प्याले तेलू ने पेडिग्री, मेरे प्याले शेरू ने खाना खाया. Let's try to solve Mr. Sheru's problem with this special drink, खस-ए-बहार. आप भी अपनी खिसियाई बीवी को पिलाइए ये खस. To make खस-ए-बहार, you require lemon, normal salt or rock salt, mint leaves, ginger, खस syrup, and Sprite. We first begin with cutting ginger into julienne, slice the lemon in halves, chop mint leaves, and then we will prepare a flavorful mixture. Squeeze in a couple of lemon, add mint leaves, add ginger, rock salt, stir the mixture. Finally, for assembly, take a glass, add your flavorful mixture, khas syrup, Sprite, ice, and garnish with a mint twig. Serve khas to खिसियाई बीवी. I'm pretty sure this drink will make your wife feel better. लेकिन अगर किसी कारण वो फिर भी आपसे गुस्सा हैं, तो आप ये अम्ब्रेला ले सकते हैं और मैं मजाक कर रहा था, ऐसा मत करना. Beat the heat with खस-ए-बहार. Hello everyone and welcome to the third episode of Beat the Heat, where I'm your host Chef Saransh. Without further ado, let's dive straight into today's problem, which is Celine Diaz from high-tech paying streets of Texas. Guys, we have become international now. Problem being, Chef, I want to lose weight. Please help me. Well, don't worry. Today's drink is really easy to make. All you need is a glass, the very famous cola. Yes. What? Wait. I was just kidding. Serve this drink to a worker which comes to your place. They would really appreciate your lovely gesture and they would also give you the blessings that would motivate you to keep yourself healthy. एक तीर, दो निशाने. To make watermelon cucumber crush, you require cumin powder, cucumber, fresh mint leaves. And when I say fresh mint, I mean fresh from the farms.
ये पुदीना चोर भोग रोज पुदीना चोरी करता है थू.
Lime, soaked chia seeds, the final ingredient. A watermelon that looks like your boss, so that once in your life you get a chance to stab your boss. To make this fat burning drink, start by peeling cucumber. Roughly cut the watermelons. Slice the lemon into half. Chop mint leaves. Blend the peeled cucumber. Blend the roughly cut watermelon. We'll squeeze in a lime, mint leaves, rock salt, cumin powder, honey if required, cucumber water. Mix everything up. In a lovely tall glass, add ice. Spoonful of the mix. Then add blended watermelon. Also don't forget your cucumber mix. Finally add the soaked chia seeds and serve this fat burning tonic. Beat the heat with cucumber watermelon crusher. Hello everyone and welcome to the fourth episode of Beat the Heat.
पुदीना चोर, there are many more ways to beat the heat.
The only show where your emotional breakdowns get blended into refreshing solutions. Let's dive straight into today's problem, which is from Mr. Sanket, your brother from another mother, from bossy streets of Bhopal. He writes, Chef, exams are coming up. I can't focus properly. Suggest a drink to improve concentration. गलती तुम्हारी नहीं है, क्योंकि जिस चीज को याद करने के लिए उन लोगों को तुम्हें 20 साल देने चाहिए थे, they have only given you 3 days for the preparations. Anyways, worry not. I have just the right drink for you. To make coffee cross apple collaboration, you require instant coffee powder, half a lime, roasted cinnamon, nutmeg, and finally the most important ingredient, apple juice. Arey uncle, I ordered for apple juice. Why have you sent me apples? What? Sorry uncle. If I ask for your son, you will send your grandfather? Sorry uncle, I did it for the views. I love you. Now in case if you face the same dilemma, I will tell you an easy way to extract apple juice out of apples that you have received. Take an apple in a bowl, go close to it and whisper, "Kal tumhara exam hai." And that will give your apple nervous energies and it will start sweating.
Oh my god, I have exams tomorrow. I'm going to fail.
To infuse coffee in apple, add instant coffee powder in an empty tea bag. Seal the bag. Partially slice a cherry and add mint leaf. Take a mixing bowl and pour apple juice. Add the coffee bag, cinnamon and freshly grated nutmeg powder. Mix everything up and refrigerate for 20 to 30 minutes. Pour the refrigerated mixture in a glass. Take a serving glass, add ice, squeeze few drops of lemon, add the coffee infused mix. Serve it cold. Beat the heat and your exams with this high chaos energy infused drink. Apple Cross Coffee Collaboration. If you have a topper friend, serve this drink to him increase his focus. Your parents beating and exam time cheating will make you a successful man. Hello everyone and welcome to episode 5 of Beat the Heat. Hey, who turned off the AC?
बिजली का बिल तुम्हारा बाप भरेगा क्या?
Sorry. The only show where your life crisis become our mocktail inspiration. Let's jump straight into today's problem, which is from Miss Bermuda Queen from naughty streets of Nagaland. Naughty हो रहा है के? She writes, how to convince daddy? Daddy को कैसे पटाएं? Look, it's very easy. Just look straight into his eyes and say, Daddy, I love you. How to convince daddy to go to Goa? I thought you meant something else. Anyways, that is also very easy. What I do is, I go to my dad, look into his eyes, and be like, Dad, I'm going to Goa. Please take care of the house and mother. Acha, so beta, you want to go to Goa?
I was just doing it for the video, Dad.
You want to go to Goa?
I was just doing it for the video.
Well, don't worry, Miss Bermuda Queen. I have got the just perfect drink for you to mellow down your dad's spicy nature, which is Tropical Passion Ginger Sparkler. To make Tropical Ginger Sparkler, you require passion fruit syrup, Schweppes ginger ale, mint leaves, cherries, black salt, red chili powder, ginger, and half a lime.
Let's start with chopping mint leaves. Julienne the ginger. Take a mixing bowl. Add lemon juice, mint leaves, rock salt, ginger, water, and give it a mix. For assembly, take a crystal glass and apply red chili powder on the top surface. Add twig of mint leaf, add ice, ginger, add the mixed ingredient, add cherries, add passion fruit syrup, ginger ale, and finally serve it to your dad.
Made a drink for you.
Amazing drink, बेटा. आप गोवा जा सकते हैं.
क्या? I can go to Goa?
But I will also come with you to Goa.
You are coming with me? Beat the heat. With Tropical Passion Ginger Sparkler. Hello everyone and welcome to the 6th episode of Beat the Heat.
कपड़े माँ धोएगी क्या?
Sorry. Beat the Heat, episode 6. Let's dive straight into today's problem, which is from Mr. Puppy. Puppy? ये सही है. मिले नहीं तो नाम ही रख लो. From challenging streets of Chhattisgarh, he writes, My girlfriend wants a piece of moon. Suggest me a drink that will send me straight to moon. Girlfriend को चांद का टुकड़ा चाहिए. So that was it for today, guys, and I will see you in the next episode of Beat the Heat. Hey, what is this kind of problem, man? I mean, tomorrow you will ask me to make a drink that will help RCB team to win a title, IPL title. It's impossible, man. मेरी तो दुकान बंद हो जाएगी. He has also written, Chef, I have already sent you 250 rupees if you help me out.
₹150 देगा.
Beat the Heat, the only show where your problems become my problem and my drinks become your drinks. And today's drink, Chandni Jamun. Get it? Huh? So let's start with preparing the drink.
Make this drink, you require club soda, spice jamun syrup, curry leaves, fennel seeds, honey, tamarind which is soaked under the water.
I'm under the water.
Boil water in a saucepan, curry leaves, fennel seeds. Boil the water until it reduces to half. Take a bowl, add soaked tamarind water, then add reduced fennel curry water. Add honey, mix it, take a glass. Add sprig of curry, add ice, add mixed ingredients. Add spiced jamun syrup, club soda.
Beat the Heat. with Chandni Jamun. A drink so light that will levitate you straight towards the space. And about that Chand Tukra thing, is a secret ingredient that you may add in your drink. A 30 ml of this secret ingredient, take a rock, tell your girlfriend, I got Chand ka tukra for you. And if she is still not convinced, consider adding 60 ml of the secret ingredient. See you in next episode of Beat the Heat.
Hello everyone and welcome to the 7th episode of Beat the Heat.
I'm up. Someone pushed me, yaar. It's just 1 p.m. in the afternoon. Man, I woke up way too early. I guess I better go see that sunrise everyone talks about.
ये है मेंटोस जिंदगी.
The only show where I sink your problems down with a refreshing drink. Today's problem is from Dear Diary, 11:35 p.m. Day before yesterday I saw a girl. She was beautiful. Oh, hello. Not mine. Oh, Alvin, my man. From binge watching streets of Bangalore. Even I can speak fluent Kannada. Listen. Bro, macha. Shiv, we are not really speaking Kannada. Hey, poya, behavarsi. This problem being, my body is wearing out at work. Please suggest a healthy but yummy drink to have at work. Don't worry, my friend. I've got just the perfect drink for you. Ingredients that will help you make coconut pineapple cooler are coconut water, pineapple, turmeric and pepper, rosemary, soaked basil seeds. Hey, hello, gentlemen. Let's begin with soaking turmeric in lukewarm water and your basil seeds in cold water. Take a sprig of rosemary, slap it because it has been a bad boy. Take the mixing bowl, lime, add turmeric, add coconut water, mix it up, black pepper, pineapple juice, rock salt. For assembly, take a glass, add ice, add your mixture, soaked basil seeds, add fresh pineapple juice, add coconut water. Our drink is ready to be served. Beat the heat with this beast of a drink, loaded with many amazing qualities such as anti-inflammation. It is great for your joints and muscles. It also aids in digestion, reduces muscle soreness, keeps you energetic, has a lot of electrolytes. Honestly, if I would have found a girl with these many qualities, I'd be married by now. What do you think?
झूठ बहुत ज्यादा बोलता है ये इंसान. See you in next episode of Beat the Heat.
I kissed a girl and I liked it. Hope my boyfriend don't mind it.
Why have you started recording, यार? I wasn't ready. ऐसे कैसे record कर रहे हो यार?
पूछना चाहिए आपको, परमिशन लेनी चाहिए.
Thank God it was just a dream.
चल झूठा.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Thala episode.
But chef, this is episode 8, not episode 7.
Oh yeah, I forgot to add that joke in the last episode. Thala for a reason. Welcome to the 8th episode of Beat the Heat. Wow! Today's problem is from Mr. Bijli Chor from Precious Streets of Pondicherry. He writes, थेरेपी की जरूरत है. दोस्त मैसेज का रिप्लाई नहीं कर रहा. I am getting angry and frustrated of my friends who ghosted me in DMs. Suggest a drink to calm me down and friends ghosted you? Are you sure they are your friends and not special someone?
का चक्कर
हाँ?
बाबू भैया और
बिजली जी follow me. ये पाउडर कौन फेंका रहे इधर? बिजली जी, you said you require therapy. I'm a professional therapist as well. See, I have a money plant in my office. That tells you I'm very professional. Look, Mr. Bijli ji. Highs and lows are a part of your life. रुको यार, feeling नहीं आ रही. Let me set the mood. Bijli ji, just take deep breaths. Challenging times always come and go. Leave all your anger behind. ये किसका बच्चा रो रहा है रे? Beat the heat. I will recommend a refreshing drink, Orange Mint Mojito.
Ingredients that are required are
lemon, Sprite, oranges. I said oranges. Rock salt and mint leaves. In a juicer, squeeze the oranges and strain the juice. Slice the ginger and then cut them lengthwise. Chop the mint leaves. Take a mixing bowl. Add lemon juice. Add chopped mint leaves. Chopped ginger. Rock salt. Pour half glass of orange juice. Mix everything. Take a glass. Add ice. Add the orange mixture. Add Sprite.
So beautiful, just looking like a wow.
Your drink is now ready.
Once you have prepared this drink, take a picture with it. Your friends out of curiosity will definitely text you back for recipe. If they don't text you back, don't worry. Make artificial intelligence your best friend. You can even find AI girlfriends in just $17.99 per month these days.
Chef, how do you know that?
Beat the heat with this extremely amazing drink, Orange Mint Mojito. Hello everyone and welcome to the 9th episode of Beat the Heat. Today I would be trying to solve my own problem with the help of an expert. Do you want to meet him? ChatGPT Babaji, namaste. Baitho. Babaji, I have a very big problem. I feel anxiety issues after uploading every video. Some videos get likes, but don't get subscribes. Babaji, fix me a drink that fixes my anxiety issues. Babaji, उठिए. अरे पिताजी मत मारिए, मैं अगली बार मैथ्स के एग्जाम में ज्यादा अच्छे नंबर लेके आऊंगा. अरे कौन पिताजी? बाबाजी, सारांश मेहता हियर विद माय एंजाइटी इशू. बेटा तुम अपनी प्रॉब्लम अपने घर पे रख के आओ. ठीक है तो फिर बाबाजी एक काम करता हूँ, अपने पैसे भी अपने घर पे ही रख के आता हूँ. अरे नहीं मजाक कर रहा था. तारक मेहता जी बैठिए. आई हैव सॉल्यूशन फॉर योर प्रॉब्लम. तारक मेहता जी, थिंक अबाउट द ब्लू स्काई, द विंडी. फिर सो गया बुढ़ाऊ. बाबा जी हेलो. अरे सावित्री जी आप? अरे बिग फैन सावित्री जी. मैं कल आप ही की वीडियो देख रहा था जिसमें आप बता रही थी कि क्या आपके हस्बैंड ही आपके असली दुश्मन है. कौन सावित्री जी? बाबा मेरी प्रॉब्लम ठीक करो बाबा जी. प्रॉब्लम? अच्छा हाँ जी उल्टा चश्मा जी आपकी प्रॉब्लम अभी सॉल्व करेगा बाबा. थिंक अबाउट द विंडी ब्रीज. जहाँ दो भाई पेड़ के नीचे खेल कुछ भी बोलता रहेगा. एक भाई के दिल में बट आई गॉट अ सॉल्यूशन टू माय प्रॉब्लम. और दूसरे लेट्स मेक ओशन ब्लू ब्रीज. जायदाद की भूख.
Peel the raw mangoes. In a pressure cooker, take some water and the peeled raw mangoes. Pressure cook for 5 whistles. Chop the lemongrass leaves and the lemongrass stalk. Peel out the pulp of the boiled mangoes only after cooling them. In this pulp, add rock salt, add honey, give it a mix, and put it inside the blender. After blending, you will get a smooth mango syrup. Take warm water in a glass, add the cut lemongrass, take the blue tea leaves and let it rest inside the water for about 5 to 10 minutes. Add the curacao syrup in a glass, add the prepared raw mango syrup, place a strainer and pour in the lemongrass infused blue tea water. Add ice. Sparkle the drink up with some tonic water.
ए भाई ये गोल क्या है? ये बाबा अंडा नहीं खाता है. अरे बाबा जी, इट इज सिट्रिक फ्रूट कैवियर. आप टेस्ट करके बताओ आपको ड्रिंक कैसी लगी. ठीक है, नाइस. आउटरो भी कर दो बाबा जी. बीट द हीट with ocean blue breeze in this round bubbles. See you guys in the next episode of
Uno. Sir, delivery.
Sorry bro, duty calls. We will play someday else.
Cheater.
leave the letter at the doorstep.
Okay, sir.
देख के नहीं चल सकता क्या? Hello everyone and welcome to the perfect 10th episode of Beat the Heat, the only show where we challenge your problems with our inspiring mocktail elixirs. So let's see whose problem shall we try to solve today. From birthday girl Sara, long time no see. She writes from E Sala Cup Namdu streets of Bangalore.
साला और शेफ गाली दी मम्मी को बताऊं?
Chef, after a long day, I need something to cool me down and boost my mood. Cool you down? Well, I always thought you wanted to be hot. He would be preparing an amazing drink. Moody melon.
The ingredients include
Muskmelon. Because why should watermelon have all the fun? Apple juice,
cardamom, cinnamon,
soaked basil seeds, water.
Let's start by grinding the cardamom. Chop the tulsi or Indian basil. In a saucepan, add the grinded cardamom, cinnamon, chopped tulsi, salt, sugar. Add water. Boil until the quantity reduces to half. Half the melon. Spoon the muskmelon to remove the seeds.
Because spooning also helps to boost your mood.
For assembly, add the herbal reduction that you prepared earlier. Add apple juice. Then add soaked basil seeds. Garnish and serve.
A drink that not only uplifts your mood and cools you down, but also is good for your mental health. Helps you to reduce stress. What? There's nothing written on my hands. You don't believe me?
नहीं.
Alright. Oh my god! And if for some reason your mood is still not getting uplifted, there's a new YouTuber around the block who makes amazing mocktail drinks. My mood definitely gets better after watching his videos. Hello everyone and welcome to the Heat. Today I eat the Heat. So funny, man. See you in the next episode of Beat the Heat.
Hello everyone and welcome to this very sad final episode of Beat the Heat. Look, I got tears in my eyes.
The only show where we take the last summer sip before the season ends. Last problem which we would be trying to solve. And the problem is solved. Seasoning riot from interesting streets of Instagram. Dear chef, please prepare a drink with seasonal ingredients. Finally a problem
Which we can solve seriously without
any drama.
Yeah, want you. The stunts performed in this video were executed by professionally dumb idiots, so you can try them but at your own risk. Also, don't throw garbage outside.
After watching a show on Discovery Channel,
अबे चल ना पता है मेरे को ये सब.
I have become a professional survivalist myself and taken upon a challenge to explore this wild, find my own seasonal ingredients with limited resources, a pocket knife, and a water bottle inside my backpack.
And chef, what about this bucket full of food?
Hey, what?
Little did I know that the things were only going to get tough from here.
I'm really scared. I think I found a new species.
Stop it. Get some help.
So I had to embrace myself against all odds. I crafted some weapons.
There is a pond nearby.
After arriving near the pond, I quickly took my hunting stance like an eagle ready to hunt my prey. What? We were both locked in a death stare. It was either hunt or get hunted. The weather was becoming insanely hot and I was stuck in the middle of nowhere.
My analytical team has prepared a map for me.
It is a very detailed map.
Alright then. I can't go straight!
With the help of this map, I was able to find tulsi, mint leaves, and
I found a mango.
let's make aam panna. Peel the mangoes, pressure cook them for 5 whistles. In a vessel, add equal amounts of sugar and water and prepare a no strings attached sugar syrup. With spoon, scoop out the flesh of mango. In a grinder, add the mango, rock salt, cumin powder, and mint leaves. After grinding, you will get a smooth paste. Combine it with sugar syrup, stir until it bubbles, and turn off the flame. In a glass, add mango pulp, water, and enjoy.
Previously on Beat the Heat, and now
Guys, I'm really scared.
Boom!
उल्टा चश्मा जी, गलत बात है. This is your last episode and you didn't invite your very personal Baba.
It's all good, Babaji, but what are you carrying in your hand?
हाथ में? It's just my walking stick. उल्टा चश्मा जी, चलने के लिए छड़ी है.
बाबाजी छड़ी तो नहीं है.
छड़ी नहीं है? Oh! What is this nonsense, beta? Huh? You didn't call your own dad in the last episode.
Dad, you should have at least changed your clothes.
Changing? बेटा चेंज तो तुम्हें करने का टाइम आ गया है, नया बेटा लाके. No, Dad, you are looking perfect. हाँ, अच्छे लग रहे हैं ना कपड़े? Yes, they are absolutely right. Even I didn't get my invitation. Because of this act, I had to book my own therapy sessions.
Chef!
Chef, no, I didn't forget about anyone. Look, I prepared drinks for you. अरे हाँ, delivery sir, come in. Come in, guys. Beat the heat. Beat the heat. Beat the. It's done.
You always treat me badly. You say you always start, and you're mad. Why don't you get a life and leave the blame behind? And I can't be without you. I never see you happy. You always treat me badly. You say you always start, and you're mad. Why don't you get a life?
I can't dance anymore. I feel dizzy. I know how to treat Baba. Babaji, look who's standing over there, Babaji. Madhuri Dixit. Huh? Madhuri Dixit ji.
Was a mistake, but I never saw like a twist. It can be like a twist. It can be
Oh! Drama queen. Hello everyone and welcome to the new show. Thank you everyone to show so much love, so much appreciation to my Beat the Heat series, and the new show is going to start soon. I'm working on some snacks, I'm working on some recipes that I think you guys would enjoy, and once I have figured those out, I would definitely start uploading the videos for the new episodes or new show season, whatever you want to call it. Beat the Hunger. I've already given a teaser in the old video, so yeah, stay tuned. And I'm also kind of working on a project which I'm thinking would be a good way to introduce my content in a long format, basically longer videos that you would find in my YouTube channel. I only have like 2 or 3 of them, so let's see. Yep, signing off. Thanks again, and binge watch this as well. Binge watch all the episodes. Just take a snack and devour them. Bye.